brand deserves a remarkable ambassador. Someone who embodies its values, inspires its community, and represents the spirit of innovation, performance, and adventure. Today, Blink Up proudly welcomes an individual whose passion for fitness, the outdoors, and an active lifestyle perfectly reflects what the Ranger AI glasses are all about. He is an accomplished actor, a dedicated athlete, and an avid cyclist. Also an advocate for adventure and healthy lifestyle. It is with great excitement that we officially introduce the newest brand ambassador of Blink Up Philippines. Guess, sino po ba? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Rocco Nasino.
Good morning. Grabe naman yung intro na yan. Ano Gcash mo? But, bigay na, sige. But good morning and welcome everyone here to Bikes and Coffee, Manila, and to the launch of Blink Up Philippines. We're very happy to showcase its wonderful features and obviously nakita nyo na presentation. So, you know, imagine going to your bike or setting up to run without wasting any time setting up all your GoPros or the Insta 360s, the DJIs, but spending more time on the sport you love. So having something all in one na dala-dala nyo at suot-suotin nyo takes the weight off the bicycle, takes all the weight and gives you the POV that you want and gives you the shots that you want. Let's face it, for the content tayo lahat dito sa Pilipinas. So we're very excited to see the content that you'll be posting. Of course, alam namin the tag of Blink Up Philippines. And it was a very easy yes when Matt asked me to be on board with Blink Up. As someone who's very active with my lifestyle, I play a lot of golf, tennis. With our mixed martial arts organization, gusto man namin ipasok sa referees namin to have a different POV of the fighters and show it during our events for Zeus Fight League. We see so many opportunities for this to make it more convenient for our very active Filipinos. So, itong Blink Up Philippines, this is giving you peace of mind kapag in case na ma-aksidente kayo, you have something to show. And for the content also, to level up your content creation game. So again, I'm very happy to be part of this. Ma'am, thank you to our Blink Up Philippines family. Thank you very much. Asahan niyo ang role ko dito. Of course, we'll be marketing soon. So magsasawa kayo sa pagmumukha ko sa mga social media contents. And we're very happy to see all the posts that people will be putting up on their software platforms. Again, to our friends and from Shenzhen, 我们很高兴你们今天在这里。Okay. So we're very happy. We'll be launching this, and we're very happy to hear about your reviews on kung ano nakita ninyo and anong na-record ninyo sa mga classes ninyo. So, kwentuhan tayo mamaya. Again, congratulations to the family, and we're looking forward to level up all the contents, all our videos with Blink Up Philippines. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Hero. Please